AI is surrounded by myths. It'll steal all jobs to machines lack creativity. Today, we're debunking these and revealing the truth about AI in the job market. Hi, and welcome back to Money Matters, where we cover everything about finance and making your money work for you. Why? Simple. Because your school doesn't and won't. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind, artificial intelligence. But we're not just discussing AI in a single video. Oh no, we're dedicating an entire playlist to the job landscape with AI. From myths and realities to the jobs at risk and the new opportunities AI is creating, we're covering it all. But keep in mind, while we of course strive for the best possible accuracy, we aren't wizards that can predict the future. So while similar developments can be expected, nothing can be assured 100%. Now, for this video, let's start by debunking some of the most common myths surrounding AI and its impact on the job market. Are robots really coming for our jobs? Can machines ever be creative? Let's find out. Myth 1. AI will replace all jobs. You've probably heard it before. Robots are coming for our jobs. But is that really the case? Let's break it down. Reality. While AI is indeed automating certain tasks, it's essential to differentiate between tasks and entire jobs. For instance, while AI might automate the task of data entry, the job of a data analyst involves much more than just entering data. They interpret, analyze, and make decisions based on that data, something AI can't do on its own. Moreover, history has shown us that with the advent of new technology, while some jobs become obsolete, new ones emerge. Think about it. A century ago, who would have thought that we'd have jobs like social media manager or app developer? So, while AI will change the nature of work, it doesn't mean it's the end of work as we know it. I bet you're thinking, but is my job at risk? Hold that thought. We'll explore that in depth in my upcoming video, Will You Be Replaced? Job Landscape with AI. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. But for now, stay with me as we debunk more common myths that might just change how you see your career's future. Myth 2. Only low-skilled jobs are at risk. You might be thinking, I have a master's degree, so AI can't possibly threaten my job. But is that really the case? Reality. The reach of AI isn't limited to just manual or repetitive tasks. It's making inroads into specialized fields as well. Consider radiologists. AI can now assist in reading X-rays with impressive accuracy. But does that make the radiologist obsolete? Not quite. While AI can identify patterns, the human touch is needed to interpret those findings in the broader context of a patient's health. Similarly, lawyers might use AI to sift through mountains of legal documents. But the strategic thinking, ethical considerations, and courtroom presence of a seasoned attorney remain unmatched by any algorithm. The key takeaway: AI isn't about replacing but augmenting. It can handle specific tasks, but the expertise, judgment, and human connection that many high-skilled jobs demand are irreplaceable. So, whether you're a fresh graduate or a top-tier executive, it's crucial to understand AI's role in your field and how you can leverage it to your advantage. Myth 3. AI can't perform creative tasks. Ever heard someone say, machines can crunch numbers, but they can't create art? It's a comforting thought for many creatives out there. After all, how can lines of code capture the essence of human emotion and creativity? Reality. Surprisingly, AI has been making waves in the world of art, music, and other creative fields. Platforms like Midjourney have showcased AI-generated visual art that's both intricate and captivating. There's also OpenAI's MuseNet, which composes music in various styles, from Mozart to the Beatles. And yes, even poetry isn't safe. AI models, like ChatGPT, have been used to craft poems, though they might lack the deep emotional resonance of human-written verses. But here's the catch. While AI can mimic patterns and produce creative works, It doesn't truly understand or feel emotions like humans do. An AI can produce a melancholic tune by analyzing patterns in sad songs, but it doesn't know the heartbreak of lost love or the pain of longing. That depth, nuance, and raw emotion, that's uniquely human. So, while AI can be a tool in the creative process, the soul of artistry remains human. The brush, pen, or instrument might change, but the heart behind creation? That's irreplaceable. Myth 4. AI will lead to massive unemployment. Have you ever thought about how self-checkout kiosks in supermarkets have reduced the need for cashiers? Or how chatbots like ChatGPT are now handling customer service inquiries, leading to fewer jobs in call centers? The fear is real. As AI becomes more integrated into businesses, what happens to the workforce? Reality. It's undeniable that AI is automating tasks that were once performed by humans, leading to job displacements in certain sectors. For instance, repetitive tasks, data entry jobs, and even some customer service roles are now being handled by AI, leading to reduced hiring in these areas. However, it's also true that AI is creating new job opportunities. Roles like AI ethicists, AI trainers, and AI maintenance technicians are emerging. But the key question is, will the new jobs created by AI be enough to offset the jobs it displaces? Historically, technological advancements have led to the evolution of industries and the creation of new professions. But with AI, the scale and speed of change are unprecedented. While some experts believe that AI will lead to a net increase in jobs, others warn of potential mass unemployment, especially if the transition isn't managed carefully. The future is uncertain, and while AI offers incredible potential for businesses in terms of efficiency and innovation, which I talk about more detailed in the video you should see now in the top right corner, it also presents significant societal challenges. It's crucial for governments, businesses, and educational institutions to work together to ensure that workers are equipped with the skills needed for the jobs of the future, and that there are safety nets in place for those displaced by technology. But let's face reality. The education system's intervention, while necessary, is often lacking. Schools teach us plenty to ace tests, but fall short on life's essentials. Financial savvy, investment basics. Don't expect the classroom to cover that. That's where we come in. This channel is dedicated to filling those gaps, to offering the knowledge that schools overlook. Here, we're not just about passing tests. We're about passing on wisdom that counts. That's our commitment to you. Myth 5. AI can make decisions without bias. Ever heard someone say, machines are objective, they don't have feelings or biases? It's a common belief that AI, being a machine, is inherently neutral and unbiased. But is that really the case? Reality. While machines don't have emotions or personal biases, the AI models can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. For instance, if an AI model is trained on historical hiring data that favors a particular gender or ethnicity, the model might inadvertently perpetuate that bias when screening job applicants. Several high-profile cases have highlighted the biases in AI systems, leading to skewed results and unfair outcomes. It's a stark reminder that AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. But there's hope. Researchers and AI developers are actively working on methods to detect and mitigate biases in AI models. Ethical AI development is becoming a priority, with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. It's a challenging task, but with the right approach, we can ensure that AI systems are more equitable and just. The future of work with AI. All right, we've debunked some myths, but what does the future really hold? How will AI shape our work lives in the coming years? Augmented intelligence. One of the most exciting prospects is the concept of augmented intelligence. Instead of replacing humans, AI will augment our abilities, making us more efficient and effective at our jobs. Imagine a doctor using AI to quickly diagnose diseases, or a teacher using AI tools to personalize learning for each student. It's not about machines taking over, it's about humans and machines working together in harmony. Continuous learning. The rapid advancements in AI mean that the job market will be ever evolving. To stay relevant, continuous learning and adaptability will be crucial. Whether it's picking up new skills, understanding the latest AI tools, or even changing career paths, being open to change will be a significant asset. Adapting to change. Historically, every major technological advancement has led to shifts in the job market. Just as the Industrial Revolution transformed the workforce, AI will bring about changes. But with every door that closes, another one opens. New job roles, industries, and opportunities will emerge, and those who are prepared will thrive. With that in mind, I hope I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to share this to others that could benefit from this info too. See you in 2 weeks. Oh, you're still here? But the video just ended? Well, since you're already here, don't forget to click this video on the left and subscribe to my channel on the right. Alright, that's all for today. Seriously, see ya.